Hello, today we will guide you through how to mute certain parts of a clip in CapCut. To begin, open the CapCut app and get into your editing workspace. This is where you'll be able to make precise changes to both your video and its audio. Once CapCut is open, drag your sample video onto the timeline. The timeline is the main area where you'll edit, trim, and control exactly which parts of the clip you want to change. After your video is on the timeline, the next step is to click on Split. This tool is important because it lets you divide one long clip into smaller sections. If your goal is to mute only a certain moment, rather than the entire video, splitting is what makes that possible. Now click on the sample parts of the video where you want the mute section to begin and end. In other words, you'll be making cuts around the portion you want to silence. Take your time here because more accurate cuts will give you a cleaner final result. It can help to zoom in on the timeline if needed so you can place the split points more precisely. Once you're done cutting the clip, click on Select. This allows you to move from splitting mode into choosing the exact section you want to edit. From there, click on the sample clip you want to mute. Make sure you're selecting only the isolated section you created, not the full video, so the audio change affects only that part. With the correct clip selected, click on Audio Waves at the top right. This opens the audio settings for that specific segment. In this panel, you'll find the volume control, which determines how loud or quiet that section will be. To mute the clip, drag the volume slider to the left until it reaches 0. This will remove the audio from only the selected part of the video while leaving the rest of the clip unchanged. That's the key advantage of splitting first. It gives you control over exactly where the sound is muted. Once you've done that, play back your timeline to check the result. Listening through the transition points can help you confirm that the mute begins and ends where you intended. If needed, you can always reselect the segment and adjust it again. And that's how to mute certain parts of a clip in CapCut. With a few simple edits, you can control your audio more precisely and keep your video sounding exactly the way you want.